Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading and writing ABCD, okay? Brown color, pink color, yellow color, green color, violet color, light green color, red color, sea green color, sky blue color, black color, orange color, white color, light pink color, red color. A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for ball. C for cow, C for cow. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K for king, K for king. L for leg, L for leg. M for mouth, M for mouth. N for nose, N for nose. O for orange, O for orange. P for pen, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rat, R for rat. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for woman, W for woman. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.